Good morning, student. As we know that your exam is over, and I hope you will get good marks. Today onwards, I will teach the next chapters according to the syllabus as for periodical test second. So according to your syllabus, for the next exam, that is chapter 3, movements of the earth. So you can open your book and you can listen carefully the videos and you can understand the things. Movement of the earth. This time, as you know, solar system. In the solar systems, all the planets are counted. So, how many planets are there? There are 8 planets in the solar system. All the planets are movable. Always we can find them in motion. They are movable. So, all the 8 planets do the 2 types of motion. First is rotation. And second is revolution. So, dear student, we also move. All living things move. But our planets also move. The solar system also moves. All the stars, all the heavenly bodies always move. So motion is in their nature. All the things what we have discovered, what we have found them, they move. The whole universe move. And all the planets, all the heavenly bodies move. Always they are in motion. Maybe in as compared to less motive or more motive. But they are found in motion. So, as we run, as we spine in the one place, as we run, as we walk, as we jump. So, like that different types of motion in our daily life we can find. Like that for the heavenly bodies, as for the planets, as for the earth. Earth is our one member of the solar family. Earth means our earth where we live. So earth is also the one member of solar family. So that on which we live, that earth also move. Also it is found in motion. How? As earth rotates. Means rotation. As earth as gets revolution. Revolution and rotation. Basically 2 types of motion is found in the earth. What is rotation? If anything is spinning like that in one place on its axis, this is called rotation. Place is not changing. The axis is not changing like that. The motion of top. You know top? Have you played with top? So you can understand that pin type structure it is found in the top, that you can consider axis. So on that axis the top rotates like that, the earth also rotates like that. So if the earth is moving, spinning on its axis, it is called rotation. Due to rotation, day and night comes. Approximately in 24 hours, our earth rotates one time. It completes one rotation. Means in 24 hours, our earth complete one rotation. As it spins as one time in 24 hours. So day and night comes. So suppose to this is Earth. Suppose to model of globe. This is Earth. This is Earth. Basically, in Earth there is two poles, as North Pole and South Pole. South Pole. But if you are taking that, imagine one axis. You know, our Earth is bent on 23 degree. Our Earth is bent on 23 degree on its axis. Like that, it should be there. So, suppose to this is bending from that here. This is bending as 23 degree. So, this is the bending of Earth, but you can consider this is axis of the Earth. This line is vertical line is axis of Earth, and like that, what this chalk is moving like that. So like that, rotation can take place like that. On the one spot, anything is spinning. This is rotation. Like that, our Earth is also rotates, and in 24 hours it rotates one full complete spinning. By this way, rotation of the Earth, day and night comes. And revolution is such type of motion of the Earth that the Earth moves the whole round of the solar system in 1 year, means 365 days or 366 days in 1 year. So suppose to this is sun, and our Earth moves to the sun, moves round to the sun. Our Earth moves round to the sun. This is Earth. Our Earth moves round to the sun. Our Earth moves round to the sun. So in this way, our Earth moves round to the sun like that. If it is sun, so like that, this is spinning also. On the one place, this is rotation, and also moves round also. It means this is revolution. If anything is moving round to the other thing, it is revolution. And like that also, Earth is rotating, so it is rotation. So Earth do rotation and revolution as in the same time. Means same time means that is always Earth always rotates, and the during of rotation it also moves around the sun. So in this way, our Earth completes one revolution in 1 year. Due to revolution, different types of changing of weather and new weather comes, like that summer season, winter season. Means this type of season comes one by one in the whole year. So due to revolution, we can enjoy with the different types of the weather, different type of the climate also happens. So due to only revolution. So revolution is very important for us, and rotation is also very important for us. So rotation and revolution is two types of the motion of the Earth. So we can say to God that thanks, because without rotation and revolution, day and night, without rotation, day and night also not comes in the short time. And due to revolution, different types of weather that cannot come in the year. So it is very surprising things It is very surprising things for us. So tomorrow I will make understand you other things. But for today's class, thank you.